what our life consists of now. What's going on, guys? Show Off Your Boy Warrior, bringing you another vlog. Today is the weekend, my favorite weekend of all time in Bay City. It is the weekend of the 4th of July and the fireworks. The reason I love that is because it's so busy and so many cool, good things happen during the weekend of the 4th of July. I know you guys probably can't hear me right now, but before we go cruising with everybody tonight, we're gonna go cruising. He's got subs in this sucker. Here we go. So this also has a tune. It's so much louder. All right, we're getting out of here. We're going to the fireworks.
My next truck, my next Duramax.
Canyon? A Canyon? Do you really want a 4-banger Duramax?
Yes.
Someone's about to trade it.
Think about how light that thing is.
Someone's about to.
I'd race that thing. I'd tune it, race it. It'd be so fast. Hit the panic button on your car. Woo!
I don't even got an alarm on my car anymore. Alright. So, this wasn't even the best day of the fireworks. I didn't even try and record them. We just kind of watched them for like 15 minutes. And now we're going to go cruising.
With my arm, I'll just like whip it with my hand.
Go to the fair.
That's going in the vlog. Hey, you guys need a ride? You guys need a ride? Oh, okay.
Hey everybody, this is Show Off 3.4.
No.
What else do you say? I got some new mods for the show, or the Ram. What else do you say? I'm obsessed with cars and my life revolves around cars, and I hate my girlfriend because she's not a car.
Mine will backfire, bro. It's scary.
I'm gonna try and start it.
What happened?
My throttle got stuck, dude. Look at my tips. I got smoke coming out the tips.
It's all that tranny fluid running through it. Hit the gas. See what happens.
I hope that doesn't happen when we're driving.
He was driving. Shut it off.
No, but like he was in neutral revving.
See, it comes down.
It's acting fine now. Just pay attention to it.
I just can't mat it that hard. It was just staying at 4 and just bouncing.
Poor baby.
Yeah. Nobody was there.
Your car's stanky.
It smells like tranny.
I don't think it sounds like, or I don't think it smells like Caitlyn Jenner in here.
The camera wasn't recording, but as we were coming through downtown here, or uptown, I matted the car in neutral just to rev it, and the throttle stuck open, and it was just revving like crazy, and I had to freaking shut it off.
So what if that happens when we're driving? Well, dear Lord, please don't let us die.
All right, so here we are. Got the Mitsubishi, the POS show. Camaro. The vlog hasn't seen the Camaro yet. It's because Nate doesn't like me and doesn't bring it around. And we got the D-Max.
Dude, I'm going and all of a sudden I hear pop, 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 pop. It's actually up. 20-year-old heat and everything. Fucking throw Camaro.
Alright, so we came behind the mall, letting the car cool off, as you can see. Look at that. That's freaking hilarious.
Yeah, my luck.
So, explain.
350.
Yeah, I know, everyone can tell it's a 350.
I'll probably go do chrome in. Did you paint the block?
I don't know. That oil?
Probably.
No, power steering fluid.
Oh. Dude, my power steering pump is shot.
Dude,
wait, shine it on it.
It's original. Power steering.
Yep, same power steering pump.
It's 40 years old almost.
Yeah, it works like a champ.
If it fits, it ships. We were sitting here, and I showed you guys the car smoking. Security guy came up and was like, hey. He's like, no, I don't care if you guys are sitting here. My coworker might come over and go. Like, okay, buddy, thanks for the warning. What's up, buddy? What are you doing? Alright guys, sorry for the jump like that, but we didn't really do much after that last video you saw. Oh, and not to mention, what we meant when that guy came up to us, the security guy, he came up to us, and literally what he told us was, I don't care if you guys are sitting here and hanging out, my shift is off in 20 minutes. When my coworker gets on, he might get mad and be all, oh, you guys can't be here. Literally how he explained it. That's what we meant by that. So Nate's Camaro, it's pretty much stock right now, but he's gonna be doing some stuff to it, and I'll let him explain to you what he's doing to it when it happens. But if you couldn't really hear, there's nothing much done to it. He did kind of rebuild it, and he got the car painted and everything like that, but he hasn't done power mods as of now. He will be doing those soon. But it was fun. The night after this one, I went out and got caught in traffic. Wasn't as exciting as I had hoped to be, because we kind of did traffic a little late. But I always like getting caught in traffic and messing around in the streets and kind of racing people and blasting music and stuff like that. Just a short little video. What happened in my car in downtown was we were sitting there and I was leading and going around a corner, going like 5-10 miles an hour, so I put it neutral and matted the throttle, and I revved it up to the rev limiter, and it started, and I let off and it kept going, and I realized my throttle was stuck. I was trying to pull the pedal back, but it wasn't pulling the cable with it, so I had to shut it off, and it kind of freaked me out for a second, but got that all good and stuff. Just kind of a short little random video, but I always like cruising the streets with my buddies and stuff like that. It's always a lot of fun. So if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Got some good videos coming up for you pretty soon here, so stay tuned for those. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.